So there's a huge storm headed towards Nashville, and apparently we are going to get 16 to 18 inches of snow. We're probably all going to be snowed in. But now that I own a farm, I have to also not only think about myself, but also think about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 animals. So 18 animals. Oh my gosh. Come with me to go stock up on my things, some of their things. So today we are doing snow preparation on Tab's farm, starting with grocery shopping. Did I get a venti medicine ball? You too. It's already starting to sleet. Literally everyone is here right now trying to stock up on groceries. This is insane. I'm not kidding you. There are hundreds and hundreds of people here. In every single cart, everybody has bread, milk, and eggs. Okay, I am starting out in the produce section. Carrots for me, carrots for the alpacas. There is one bag of shredded lettuce left for the alpacas. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to go get some meat. Could I just do 2 fresh chicken? Okay, the next thing I'm getting is all the canned vegetables. Okay, I got everything that I needed to make 7 complete meals. It's pouring down rain. Oh my gosh, that's insane.